Hey everyone! If you're using a Mac and you've ever needed to run Windows or Linux without rebooting, yeah, this video is for you. Because Parallels Desktop 26 is here, and it makes running Windows, Linux, or even another macOS environment on your Mac incredibly easy. No restarts, no complicated setup, everything runs side by side. With Parallels Desktop 26, you can run Windows apps like native Mac apps, switch instantly between operating systems, and copy, paste, and share files seamlessly. Whether you're a student, developer, business user, or just need Windows for a few specific apps, Parallels fits right into your workflow. And yes, there's a 14-day free trial, so you can try everything before paying anything. Parallels Desktop 26 brings improved performance, better compatibility with the latest macOS, and smoother virtualization, especially on Apple Silicon Macs. That means faster startups, better graphics, and more efficient battery usage. Now let's talk about pricing, because this part is actually really good. Right now, there's a 35% discount on new licenses only. That includes Parallels Desktop Standard Edition, Pro Edition, and Business Edition. This deal runs from December 23, 2025 through January 14, 2026, and it's available globally, with the exception of the Business Edition in Korea. And if you're a student or an educator, this gets even better. Current or newly accepted college students, teachers, faculty, staff, and IT administrators can save up to 50% with special education pricing. That means you can run Windows on your Mac and get access to more than 200,000 Windows apps for studying, teaching, or research. And yes, this setup is authorized by Microsoft. That's a huge win for anyone in education. So whether you want to test it first with the free trial, grab the 35% discount, or qualify for the 50% student and educator savings, check the link in the description to download Parallels Desktop 26 and choose the best deal for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.